Back to doing my YouTube stuff. What's up guys, we are back at the Racers Line. Basically the only shop I ever go to if he has the time. Yeah, this is my favorite shop. Neil's gonna be taking care of me. He's gonna be installing the front lip first, or he's installing the front lip first. I'm not doing anything. I'm just talking to him. Moral support. Moral support, yeah, exactly. YouTube videos, right, to promote the Racers Line because this is the best shop in the Bay. Yeah, looking good so far. He's just pre-drilling some holes, making sure everything fits. Looks like some of the OEM hardware works. This is my really cringy wrap job underneath, but you know, it's underneath the car, no one can see, so. Love this car though.
Carbon fiber.
All the carbon fiber.
Oh, that carbon fiber so well.
The fitment's not too bad.
And honestly, the comp exhaust though stock sounds.
I think it sounds great.
The original exhaust was terrible, but the stock exhaust definitely. Or stock comp.
The first one's not bad.
Yeah, that performance sounds pretty decent. I mean, it's hard to make this engine sound amazing, but
The new equal length systems have been sounding pretty good based on the videos that I've been seeing.
oh yeah.
Oh, that's a cool diffuser. I didn't even remember that I ordered the one with like these crazy
Yeah, this is the add-ons.
Yeah.
That is nasty.
That's cool.
Just gonna take.
Yeah, we'll have to hook up one of my belts down with some other BMW dudes. We'll do some photos.
Yeah, for sure, man. That'd be awesome. Thank you.
Something saying like, hey, understand that there's a good chance this is gonna be custom equipment.
So now we're installing the side skirts. So these are looking pretty good. I like the full side skirt. The front lip definitely has the best fitment so far. The rear diffuser is a bit more difficult, but largely because the original diffusers are plastic, so it's a little bit more malleable and flexes. Carbon fiber is going to be a lot stiffer. So fitment on this is about maybe 6 or 7 out of 10. Not terrible. You definitely won't really notice it too bad when the car's down on the ground, but when it's like eye level, you can kind of see a lot of gaps and stuff. All the parts look really, really good. So if you guys are interested where I got these parts, this is from Aeroluxe Autobotique. I bought these through Pristine Auto. Shout out to them. Pristine Auto are the guys who help me with all my car parts. They source everything for me. And then of course I come to the Racers Line to get them installed. So yeah, everything is going pretty good. Everything looks great. And yeah, check them out. I'll have the link in the description below. Their parts are very nice and affordable, and they fit pretty well. So it's good if you want to save a few $1,000s. All right, we are all done. It looks sick. Yeah, I do wish the back fit a little bit better, but ah well, what can you do?
I mean, if they want to send another one, we could try another one.
Yeah.
But my best description of why it doesn't fit
It's because it's just carbon.
all of these clips on that are molded without steps, so I ground steps into them, but you can only do so much because the carbon is so thin. I don't want to grind it all the way through.
Yeah.
So it's really, there's nothing for these lips on the carbon piece to catch them to. It also doesn't have.
Oh.
There's separate plastic pieces on the side that these mold in, or these clip into, and then it actually does that. So yeah, a couple of improvements, and it could fit much nicer.
I'll let them know. Maybe they'll make a V2.
Yeah. You can see these little things
But as it is, I'm still happy with it. It looks great. It looks so freaking aggressive, actually. Holy crap, it sticks out. Like, it super sticks out compared to the OEM diffuser. It looks great. It looks so cool.
matches nicely with the trunk lip.
Yeah. Sweet, we're all done. It looks great. So we're gonna move the car out. I'm gonna give Neil his money, and then that should be it for today. But as always, if you guys ever need anything installed, car work done, come to the Racers Line in Concord. It's literally the best shop, best prices. Neil is amazing. He's done work on every single one of my cars, and it's always been flawless. And he's super honest too. Like he'll let you stay in the shop, watch what he's doing. Ooh, hear that? Ooh, sound good. Oh yeah, Racers Lane.
They really should put this wheel in this. So much better.
Yeah. That looks freaking good. But yeah, guys, thanks again for watching this video. And just again, the Racers Line, always the best shop. Check out Pristine Auto for any of your car parts. They can definitely get you anything that you guys need. And if you guys are interested in the carbon fiber parts, check out Aeroluxe Autobotique. I will have links in the description below for all three. And hope you guys enjoy yourselves. See you guys on the next video. It sounds so good.